Well, finally got round to clearing out this bog bed, and it used to be a pond, had fish in it, and I'm going to turn it back to how it used to be. Don't think we'll be putting fish in though, but we'll definitely have it as a pond, get some plants in, and yeah, this is my job for the morning. Happy days. No idea what this stuff is. I think it's ground elder. It's coming out along with lots of other weird things, plants and stuff. You know what I mean? Like this sort of iris stuff, whatever. Start again. Don't know what ground elder looks like. That stuff spread really well. Excellent ground cover, but people don't like it for some reason. I don't mind it, to be fair. Stops other weeds coming through as well. If you've got any questions, just drop them in comments below and I'll have a read later. Well, we're getting there, slowly but surely. I think we'll just crack it out in 2 hours. Started at 10, it's 11 now. So 1 more hour, only got that little bit at the end to do and then a little bit of a tidy up. So should be able to get it done. Right, well, got it done. 15 minutes to spare. Just need to lift all flags around, get rid of the old lining, and then put in the new lining and fill it up.